So let's talk about what is in the box with your Duo USB powered compress. First of all, it's going to be the compress itself inside the machine washable cover. The machine washable cover is coated with silver antimicrobial all throughout the fabric, so it won't grow bacteria on that surface as you're using it on your face. The USB insert that's got our all-natural mineral in it as well. I'll talk about that some more. And then, of course, the plug for the USB controller. The USB controller has settings for 3 different time settings as well as 3 different temperature settings. So 40, 45, and 50C. This compress does heat up very quickly from 70 seconds to 90 seconds, depending on the temperature of your room. Additionally, in the box is this spray bottle, which we fill with water in order to put moisture on this compress. Again, this is a unique feature of our Duo compress. It's using a graphene printed heating element instead of wires like the old style USB compresses. And that allows us to spray water right on the compress, so you've got instant moist heat as soon as you use it. So as simple as maybe 5 sprays on there. Now I've got some moisture on there to put right on my eyelids. And what is the big deal about moisture? Well, moist heat penetrates to a much greater degree. So if you've used a USB compress, you know that they do heat up, but again, no moist heat. And the other issue is that when you place it on your face, it doesn't really conform to the eyelids. So there's nothing that will pack down and apply heat directly to those eyelids. So if you see my friend here is wearing a USB powered compress, the issue is if you look inside, you can see the space where there is no contact with those eyelids. So if you put our compress on there, you're going to notice that those natural beads comply. First of all, we've got our comfort strip for the nose, so it's going to stay right where you put it. But also you're going to notice there is no space in there. The compress, due to those natural mineral beads, have compressed down and making very good contact with your eyelids. And what does all this mean? What it means is in 3 minutes of use, we can increase your eyelid temperature by 9 degrees Fahrenheit. So take a look at this video showing you both how the compress heats up, how quickly it heats up, but also the real impact on the temperature of your eyelids. Temperature of your eyelids is considered the temperature of the meibum in the meibomian glands, and that's what we're trying to achieve. Optimal melting temperature for meibum is 41.5 C, 108 Fahrenheit, and that is what we're achieving in just 3 minutes with the new Duo USB powered compress. Thank you very much.